Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that developers face when working with Spring repositories. Imagine you're dealing with lazy loading issues, and despite making some changes, your related objects are still being loaded with multiple queries. Frustrating, right? You're scratching your head, trying to figure out how to test and validate these queries, and you come across the need for a solution. So, here comes the solution. By utilizing Hibernate statistics in your tests, you can gain valuable insights into the queries being executed. The provided code snippet showcases a clever approach to ensure that lazy loading is working correctly. Setting up Hibernate statistics and using the Entity Manager to access session data allows you to verify that only the expected entity is loaded, without the unnecessary lazy relationships. This test ensures that your queries are optimized, giving you peace of mind regarding your repository's behavior. In summary, leveraging Hibernate statistics in your JPA tests can be a powerful tool to validate and optimize your queries. By monitoring the entity load counts and focusing on the specific entities being loaded, you can ensure efficient lazy loading behavior. So, give it a try in your project and say goodbye to those pesky multiple queries. And remember, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Who knows, maybe your query will be the next one we tackle with a witty solution.